How's everybody doing? We're in West Palm Beach doing a shingle roof replacement. The roof replacement is going to have a double 30 ridge vent and then a CertainTeed landmark. The color the guy's going to go with is pewter. Let's take a look at what's going on. So we got this part of the roof off. Got our materials over here. We got front torn off. These are all our rolls of 30 to go back. 2 layers of 30. Since we're in West Palm Beach, we have to go back with either double 30 or seam tape. So we're going back with double 30. Alright, that's it for today. See you guys in the next one.